Good morning, it's Wednesday's phonics lesson and we're going to start off by using our sound chart and saying the sounds. We're going to do all of them this morning, so can you say the sounds along with me? A, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, O, ow, oi, ear, and yaw. Well done. And then moving on to our consonant sounds. S, z, sh, b, k, d, g, g, j, p, qu, t, w, x, y, and ch. So well done, everybody. Okay. Oh, my wop seems to have disappeared today. Today, we are learning to spell the I sound using an I. So today we are learning to spell the I sound using just the letter I. Not sure where that disappeared to today. So, does anybody know what this word says? Can you sound button the word? Is there another way that we could pronounce any of the graphemes that are in the word? So pause the video while you sound button it. Okay, well done. If you correctly sound buttoned, I, d, mind. Are there any letters, any graphemes in there that you could pronounce in a different way? Well done. If you said that this I here could be an I sound, or it could be an I sound. Because there are some words, such as this one here, where we could sound button it, wind, or we could say wind. It could be wind or it could be wind. So that's why it's really important we sound button and we sound out the words and try it both ways if we're not sure what it says. So, if you can spell the word mind, can you think of any other words that have that I in the middle where it's spelt with just an I? Maybe you spotted some on yesterday's common exception word chart that have got the I making an I sound, the I making an I sound, the I making an I sound. So which words can you think of? Maybe pause the video and see if you can come up with a list of different words containing the I grapheme. Okay, so words that I could think of were wind, which I mentioned a minute ago, behind, where we've got and we've got that beginning is B, so behind. Any others? Oh, we could have ch, I, or d. Child. We could have wild. So mind, wind, wild, mind. Oh, kind. Mind, kind, find, mind, kind, find, behind, child, wild, wind, could have climb as well. And a lot of these words are on our common exception word map because this I doesn't always make an I when we're reading. It's a bit of an exception to these words. So, today, we're going to be using our spelling journals to record some of these words. Now, in school, we have used a red book and it's got some lines in, and we've put the letters of the alphabet on each of the pages. And then we can use this as our own spelling journal. It's a bit like a dictionary where we can keep a list of all the words that we learn and the different spelling rules to help us. Now, I know I mentioned it last week in the videos, but I thought I'd show you one now that we have one made up in school. So, can you add these words to your spelling journal? Now, remember, you need to look for the right letter. So behind begins with a B. So I need to find the page with all of the B words and I would pop it on there. Child begins with a C. So I need to go onto this next page here and add child. Find, you need to find the words, the page where it begins with an F and add your words in. Now remember, you can add a little picture if you want to help you. So next to child, you might want to draw a little stick person to remind you it's a child. Maybe find, you could draw a pair of glasses or an eye to show you that you're trying to find something. Kind, you could draw a heart to show that you're being kind. So today, can you go and add your words to your spelling journal? Remember, at home you could just have a piece of paper with all of the letters of the alphabet on. You could fold up some pieces of paper to make your own little book. It is up to you, and these will be really useful for you. So that is all we've got left today to do, is add them into your spelling journal, and then I will see you tomorrow.